Hey guys, I was just trying to drink water from the water dispenser, and for the maniac that I am, I used some brute force on it and unfortunately broke the tap. And like any other Indian household, if you break something, may your soul rest in peace. But I wasn't ready to get tormented by my parents just yet, so I thought to myself, why don't I start designing something and then maybe I can 3D print it. So I took some dimensions and here we go. Let me start off by making a rectangle which will serve to be the part which helps us to open and close the tap. Now I'm making the ridges on which other mechanisms of the tap will get connected, and it will also serve to be a pivot point on which the tap will rotate. As you all can see, I'm making a rudimentary figure. Later on, we will add some aesthetics to it. Now, let's make a hole which will be our pivot point on the ridge. I am now using the fillet feature which will round off the edges and add aesthetic to the part. The part is now ready. Let's 3D print it. Our part is functionally identical to the original. Now, let's fix it. I've used a bolt which acts as a pivot and helps to open and close the tap, and I've secured it with the help of a nut. As you all can see, the tap is working just like it used to do before. Thankfully, there are no leakages and it works like a charm. But what do you think the reaction of my parents was? Why did you not 3D print this in white? I hope you all liked the video. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.